Welcome back everyone, my name is Amy from Softtrix and today I want to talk to you about something that's going to completely change the way we look at Google Ads in 2026. You know, every year Google Ads evolves, but in 2026 is different. It's not just another update, it's a transformation. And if you are still running the ads the way that you did in 2023 and 2024, then you are going to feel like you are driving a car with square wheels while everyone else is flying past you in the electric car. So let's break this down in plain words. The biggest shift we are seeing is that the Google Ads is becoming more AI driven and the privacy first. What does that mean? Well, earlier we used to rely heavily on the keywords, exact matches, manual bidding and a lot of micromanagement. But right now, Google wants the advertisers to trust its machine learning system. Broad match keywords combined with the smart bidding are no longer optional, they are the backbone of the campaigns. And I know broad match used to scare people because it felt like throwing your net in the ocean and it catching everything from fish to hold shoes. But in 2026, broad match is smarter. It understands the intent. It knows when someone is searching to buy versus when they are just browsing. And when you are paired with the smart bidding, you are not just chasing clicks, you are chasing conversions. So let's talk about the creatives. This is where things get really interesting. Google is pushing generative AI into the ads, meaning it can create variations of your headlines, descriptions, and even the visuals at scale. But here is the catch. Automation can't tell your story. It can't capture your brand's voice or your customers' emotions. That's where we as marketers step in. In 2026, the winning strategy is not just letting the AI run wild, but guiding it with the human-driven storytelling and that connect emotionally. Ads that speak to pain points, ads that feel personal, those are the ones that will cut through the noise. Another big change is the measurement. With cookies fading out and privacy rules tightening, GA4 and the GTM are no longer just tools, they are the lifelines. If you don't have proper tracking in place, you are flying blind. In fact, I have seen businesses spend thousands of dollars without realizing half their conversion was not even being tracked. In 2026, you cannot afford that. You need clean data, you need custom conversions, and you need to know exactly where the campaign is driving revenue. Think of it like driving at night. GA4 and the GTM are your headlights. Without them, you are guessing where the road is. And then there is a performance max. Love it or hate it, Google is making it central to everything. Instead of running separate search, display, YouTube, campaign performance, PMax unifies them all. But here is the secret. It only works if you feel it the right inputs. High quality product data, strong audience signals, and the creative assets that actually tell a story. If you just throw in generic banners and hope for the best, performance max will burn your budget, but if you guide it, it can become your most powerful weapon. So where does this leave us? The Google Ads strategy for 2026 is about balance. Automation is powerful, but it's not magic. AI can optimize the bids and the placements, but it does not know your customer the way you do. It does not know your brand's value or your long-term goals. That's why the future belongs to the marketer who can blend machine learning with the human insight. It's like flying a plane. Autopilot can keep you steady, but you still need a pilot to navigate storms and land safely. At Softtrix, we believe in this balance. We believe in human-driven digital marketing where originality, trust, and expertise guide every campaign. And as for me, I will keep sharing these updates with you because I know how overwhelming Google Ads can feel when everything is changing so fast. My job is to make it simple, clear, and actionable so you can take these lessons and apply them directly to your business. So here is my message for 2026. Don't fear the automation, but don't surrender to it either. Use broad match and smart bidding, but layer it with the human insights. Embrace generative AI, but make sure your brand story shines through. Fix your tracking because without the data you are just guessing, and feed Performance Max campaign with the best inputs you can because it's only as smart as the signals you give it. If you found the update helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let me know in the comments what is the biggest challenge you are facing with the Google AdWords right now, because remember, every challenge is just the beginning of a new strategy.